Kearabilwe, what is your stock pick this evening?
Yeah, no, I mean, the last few times Cobus and I have been on, I've picked VIX futures and it's the call options. My March 26 are in the money at the moment. Not to blow my own horn, but I'm doubling down on that trade. Taking May 26, 27 strike call options on the VIX future, just purely on this the volatility which we are seeing right now, and not knowing how long this war is essentially going to carry on for. I'm just taking that bit of a hedge into my portfolio at the moment.
All right, there we go. That's a wise choice. Cobus, where are you hanging your hat on this evening?
So they reported earnings this morning, the JSE themselves.
Okay.
So again, without having to stick my neck out too far in terms of the direction of this market, the one thing I do anticipate is flow and volatility and a changing of minds. Given both the robustness of the precious metal sector in particular, this is the highest quality market globally for you to get precious metals exposure, and precious metals exposure sells at the moment. And off the back of that, we've seen enormous increases in trading volumes on the JSE. And I think given what's happening in the Middle East, that trend is likely to continue. The gold miners are set to continue thriving. The platinum miners not doing too poorly either, and the JSE becomes a nice way to play that, without taking any directional, any view on what the underlying commodity value should be. You just bet on an increase in activity. I suppose just like Kearabilwe is betting on an increase in volatility. Given the backdrop, I'm betting on an increase in activity, and it's nice that they've paid a special dividends as well, off the back of these, call them excess earnings that we've seen over the last 12 months.
Sure. Interesting times we live in. Gentlemen, thank you so much to both of you on Stockwatch this evening for joining us. Thank you so much. And that's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guests, Kearabilwe Nonyana from PRIMEXBT, and also to Cobus potgieter from Southern Cross Capital. That's all for Stockwatch today but there is more to catch right on Business Day TV. So don't forget to tune in tomorrow, the 3rd of March at 10 a.m. as we'll also be bringing you the live presentation of Discovery's interim results. And again at 2 p.m. for the JSE's annual results presentation. Up next, the close.